Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Australia's Producer Price Index will be released at 1:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing New Orders Index at 14 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks closed lower as early gains faded following the latest round of corporate earnings and economic data, as investors awaited results from megacaps Amazon and Apple. Tether disclosed another strong quarter as stablecoins continue to gain traction amid growing regulatory clarity in the United States. The company said it posted $4.9 billion in profit for the second quarter of 2025, a 277% increase compared with the same period a year ago. The US dollar index rose modestly, while MSCI's global equities gauge fell as stronger than expected megacap earnings reports were balanced against signs of rising inflation, while investors were anxious ahead of Trump's deadline for trade agreements.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 1.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.